हेलो गाइस, कैसे हो आप लोग? सो दिस इज अली. आई एम बैक इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल guys. I'm not going to make anything very special video from anyone because after a long time I'm back in my YouTube channel, guys. So please, first of all, I request everyone to subscribe my YouTube channel because I'm going to make very surprising videos for you guys, some new blogs and many things. So for that you need to subscribe my channels. Once you become a subscriber, then only you will be getting all the latest videos first to you only. So guys, बोलना चाहता हूँ कि right now I'm in my room and I didn't prepare anything what kind of video I'll make. So I thought of showing something to you whatever I do during my off day, and because I got off for 7 days. It's not a off. I must say that it's leave for 7 days. So I'm in my room, and because of lockdown, we are in the room right now. We are just taking care of our health. So I request each and everybody out there that please take care of your health, because health is very important. And as everyone know that the cases are growing in India. In every second it's getting higher and higher, guys. So I request each and everyone to be in the room and to take care of your health. And by sitting in the room, you can pamper yourself and you can do many things, guys. So I would like to show that what right now I am doing in my room, guys. तो मैं सबसे पहले दिखाऊंगा कि it's 8:30 p.m. So I'm going to make my dinner because I'm alone in my room. So I thought of first I was thinking that should I go outside to have dinner, but I thought of no, I can't go because it's Corona time, and we are in the room. We are just taking care of our health. So why we should go out and dine out there? So it's better to make something for you in the room as per your choice, as per your preferences. You can make anything in the room. So why don't you do that, right? So for that reason, I'm making my special food and the things which I like most. So I like to show you guys. Okay. So guys, I'm making now this. So this is Nutrilla. We call as soybean. So I'm making this soybean for you, guys. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just boiling my soybean. Once it properly get boiled, then I'll make it curry. I'm not a cook. I'm not a chef. But yes, when you are staying alone in the room, you need to become chef for yourself. You need to become a cook for yourself because nobody is going to cook for you. You do have two options. Either you need to cook for yourself or you need to go out in the restaurant and you need to dine. But to go in the restaurant, you need more money. As of now, I don't have that much money. So I thought of making something in my room, which is very special for me. So I'm making it, guys. So it's very soon, it's going to get boiled properly. Just after 5 minutes it will get boiled properly. Then what I will do, I'll make all the mise en place. So mise en place means, whatever the things required for making a curry, you need to make everything ready for that curry, right? Like ginger, onion, tomato, turmeric, all the masalas. You need to make it ready for the curry so that whenever it required, you need to give it in the curry, and you can make the curry, guys. So yeah, I'll show you guys. So my soybean is almost done, so I'll decrease the temperature. So now it's in 1. So you can see it's well cooked. See, it's well boiled. Sorry, it's well boiled. And now I'm going to turn off the turn off these microwaves. And now I'm going to I already turn off my induction, and this is the soybean now. What I'll do, I'll bring this soybean into cold water and again I'll wash it properly, guys. So guys, as I said you that soybean is already well cooked, and now what I'll do, I'll take this soybean into cold water and again I'll wash it properly, because whatever this unwanted things are there in the soybean, and everything will go out. And that's why I have added salt while boiling this soybean, because there are many small insect remains in the soybean, because after production of these soybeans, they do packaging and they send it to they used to send it to the store, and then from the store they used to take it to the market and they used to sell it, right? But there are some small insect which are present in the soybean. So that's why every time before making soybean you need to boil it properly. If you're not boiling it, and if you're not boiling it, then at least in a boiled water you need to soak it properly, so that all the insect come out and you get a fresh soybean, which which give you a good health. So what I'll do, as I boiled this soybean, now I'll take it to the cold water and again I'll wash it properly. So I'll show you the process how you need to wash the soybeans, guys. So this is the pot. I've taken some amount of water. So I will pour all the soybean in this water. So I have done it. Now I'll wash it properly with my hands. But make sure that whenever you are putting your hands in the water, your hands should be nicely washed, so that the unwanted substances should not go in the water. My hands are washed, that's why I'm putting it. So it's very soft now. It's very soft. So it's done. So after washing, just make a separation from one container to another. Soybean is very favorite. I like soybean because it gives more protein to your body. So I really like it. See, this is all the dirty water. So that's why I said it before that you need to boil soybean properly. So after boiling, what I have done, I have just poured all the soybean and all the dirty, dirty things, the unwanted substances came out, and you can see everything in this water. So this water has become useless. So we are going to throw this water, guys. So it's done. So now what I'll do, I'll just make a mise à plat. So mise à plat is an hotel term. It's a hotel word, which means we'll make for making a curry, whatever the things required, we need to make everything ready, like onion, ginger, garlic, tomato, potato, everything. We'll just, for making a curry, whatever things required, you need to make it ready before making a curry. Because once once you're putting it in the induction, once you're putting oil, everything you need to get it, everything you need to get ready, so that you can make the curry first, and you can have it soon, right? So what I'll do, first I'll take one tomato. Tomato is very favorite. See, it's so red, it's so tempting, guys. Now I'm going to take, I already have taken one small piece of, what is this, garlic, one small piece of garlic, and one piece of onion, guys. So I'll cut it nicely, but before cutting you need to wash it properly, guys. This is my favorite knife. It's very sharp. This is not blunt, it's very sharp. So I'm just cutting my tomato, guys. I'm going to cut the potato in small pieces, because if you are making it in small pieces, it will get boiled quickly, and it will give you all the flavors from the tomato. The tomato will get boiled properly, it will get cooked properly, and all the flavors will come out from the tomato. For that reason, you need to give small pieces to the curry for this tomato. So I'm just cutting it in small pieces, guys, because I am feeling hungry. So if I make it in bigger pieces, it will take time to get cooked. So I'm making it in small pieces, so that in a short time I get my food and the tomato also get cooked well. Sorry, mom. I don't make food in my room, in my home, but I'm making in my hostel, in my room, because I have no option, mom. So I'm making it. So I have see all my tomatoes ready. Now tomato is ready, guys. So this is onion, guys. So I'll just cut it. So this is lovely onion. I'm going to cut it well. My onion is also ready. I'm getting tears because of this onion. Bullshit onion. So this is one piece of garlic. I don't like spicy. I really don't like spicy. I eat zero spicy food. I eat zero spicy dal. I eat zero spicy curry because I really don't like spicy. Spicy is my enemy. I don't like spicy, guys. So I'm just, because of that, I'm just giving small quantity of ginger, garlic and everything. You can see I'm getting tears in my eyes because of this onion. Why would you cry after? Actually, we don't cry. Why tears come out after cutting onion? Can anybody say me? Can anybody please send me a message for what reason our tears come out after cutting onion? Do anybody have any idea? Can anybody can say me for what reason? If anybody can say me, then I'll give you a big salute to you guys. So yeah, my mise en place is ready. My everything is ready now. So yes, so the mind. So I'm going to put this pot over here. And this is the oil. So I'm going to put little bit of oil. Make sure that you, every time you use this refined oil, this is very good for health. Never use mustard oil. Always try to use refined oil, because refined oil is very good for health. There is no any side effect for refined oil. So I'm just putting little quantity of oil. So now I will allow my oil to get heat up properly. Once it get heat up, then I'll just put all my masalas and all. So until my oil is getting heated, I'll have to wait for 2 minutes at least. My oil is getting heated up now. Guys, whenever you are making food in electricity, you need to take care of your induction, you need to take care of your kitchen also, and you need to see everything every after 5 minutes, because we are cooking in electricity, guys. So you never know, anything might be happening anytime, guys. So now my oil is ready, it's already got heated up now. So I'm going to put, first I'm going to put the tomatoes, onion and all. So I like to show you guys, I like to make it little bit zoom and I like to show you guys. then I'm going to add all those masalas. This is red chili. As I said it before, guys, that I don't like spicy, but then also I'm going to add one pinch of red pepper because I need to get little bit of a taste, you know. So if you don't add any little salt, any spicy, you will not get taste. So for only for that taste, I'm going to add just one pinch of this red pepper. So just one pinch, okay. And this is turmeric, more than one pinch, because turmeric will give you a good flavor. It will also give you a good color. So sorry, something fallen out. And this is jeera powder. I like to make it more little bit. I like to show you properly, guys. So this is jeera powder. And I'm going to add little bit of this is ajwain seeds. And just a little bit of ajwain. Now I'm going to add little bit of it's done. I'm mixing it very well, guys. So now what will happen, all the masalas, whatever I've added in my curry, everything will come together and they will give you a good flavor. So after 2 minutes, after 5 minutes, the aroma of all the spicy will come out and it will give you a good taste, guys. Remember one thing. The time when you add all the masalas, make sure that the temperature of your induction or your gas and anything, it should be in low temperature. If you're giving it in a higher temperature, the masalas will get burned and you'll not get the flavors, you'll not get the aroma, and it will be a waste of time, guys. So make sure that the temperature should be in low temperature and it should get cooked well. Wow, it's so amazing, guys. The aroma is, I'm just loving the aroma, guys. While cooking, you may dance also, guys. You must sing whatever you like to do, guys. Dancing is my hobby, so I'm dancing, guys. But I'm not a professional dancer. The background is not so good. This is a small kitchen. You can see that place is also not clean and not tidy. It's clean. I'm not saying it's dirty. It's clean, but it's not tidy, guys. Because this is not my own home. This is not my permanent home. This is just a rent house. I'm staying for a short time. So this is how I maintain my kitchen, guys. But I make sure that my kitchen is clean and while making food, I should not get any cockroach or any dirty things. So guys, I'll show you. You can see the masala. Just see the masala, guys. You can see it. You can see it. So what I do now, I'm going to add this soybean, guys. So let's take it properly. So sorry that I couldn't cover everything together in this video because I'm just holding the phone and I'm just making a video, guys. I'm so sorry for this. Yeah. So now I'm going to add the most important things of this curry, salt. Salt is very important because unless you add the salt, you will not get the taste. So you need to add little bit of salt, then only the taste will come out. But make sure that you should not add excess of salt. As much as required, you can add it. Use a small teaspoon or tablespoon, you can use it for the salt. I have added salt now. So now I will mix it well so that everywhere the salt goes and gives good taste. So I have already mixed the salt so nicely with all my vegetables and spices. So what I'll do now, I'll add little bit of water because once I'm adding water, all the masalas will go inside this soybean and it will give you a taste. And once you're having it, once you bite the soybean, the masalas will come out and the taste will also come out, guys. So I'm going to add just 1 cup of normal water. So this is the cup. So what I'll do now, I'll just cover it for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes again I'll come and I'll see whether the masala is well cooked or not, whether I'm getting the aroma or not. So for that reason I'll have to cover my curry at least for 5 minutes. So till then I'll come back again, guys. Hello guys, so again I'm back. So now I'll show you the condition of my curry and I will show you how tempting it's looking right now and how much water is required still, or water is not required, might be because I'm making this curry only for one person. Make sure that you are making this curry for one person. So if you need more gravy while having food, you need to add some more water. But if you don't like gravy, if you want just semi gravy, you can add as much water as you want. But make sure that whenever you are making soybean curry, as per my experience, I will suggest you that if you are making soybean curry, the gravy should be semi-liquid, because this is not something chicken, this is not mutton where gravy is more important, but this is just a soybean, so gravy should be semi-liquid. So I'll show you my curry right now, what is the condition of my curry right now and how it's looking right now. So I'll show you guys. So I'll just zoom it well and I'll show you guys. So this is the condition of my curry. You can see that the gravy, it's cooking well. See, so everything is done now with this. So I'm covering this. Actually, it's looking like boiled. Yes, I'll show you that why it's looking like boiled, because I have not added any strong masalas. I have not added any flavors also. It's just basic masalas, you know, which we generally add in any kind of curry, guys. So this is just small masalas. There is no any strong masalas. That's why it's looking like boiled, because I like boiled also, but I have added small 2-3 masalas just for the flavors, because I don't like spicy. I hate spicy. I always eat zero spicy food and all. So it's looking like this. But if you can try this in your home, definitely you like it, guys. See, I'm not a famous chef where recipe is very good. This is just a simple recipe. This is peoples like us, you know, the bachelor peoples like us, whenever they're staying in the room alone, they can make it, you know, without without bothering themselves. They can make it anytime, you know. It just take 15 to 20 minutes, and you can make it well. It will be very tasty, and you'll get protein also from this food, guys. So my soybean is ready, and now my next work is that it's time for me to eat my food. So I'm not going to eat my food right now. Before eating the food, I'll check my soybean whether it's need more time to cook, or the masalas get well cooked, or still I need more masalas to be added. If I'm getting some good aromas from all the flavors, then it's over. I'm going to turn off my induction, and I'll get ready to eat my food, guys. So I'll show you again. You need to use cloth, you know, you need to use some dirty. This is the cloth. Okay. Just take care of your fingers. It should not get burned, so use such kind of cloth. So I'm just going to taste little bit of gravy, and I'll see how it tastes. Lovely, guys. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm just loving this curry. See it. So now you can just turn off the curry. You can just cover your curry. So guys, this is the recipe of my soybean. So guys, please you try this in your home. It's not that professional recipe, but at least whenever you are staying alone, whenever you are outside of your hometown, whenever you are staying in hostel or PG, you can try this without, you know, wasting lots of money, you know, without getting more expenses, you know, with like just it requires 30 rupees for getting this soybean, the masalas, and you can make it, and you can, you know, you can eat for 2 days. You know, if you keep it in the fridge, you can eat it for 2 days, guys. So please you try this in your home. You know, good food, ensure, you know, in a small amount you are getting good food. So instead of wasting, 1,000, 2,000 rupees just going out and, dining it in the restaurant, and you are just, wasting your money. So you can just try this in home. You can eat with your rice, or if you want that, you need to eat with chapatis, paratha, you can also eat. Or you can go with, this curry goes with anything, I will say it goes with anything, guys. With rice, with roti, with chapati, it goes with everything, guys. So it's your choice whether you need rice or rotis. But I will suggest you guys, please try this in your home and let me know how you like it, guys. Thank you so much.